Your Body, Your Image. Taking the First Step. Written by James Clear. Body image. It's a powerful thing. It shapes how we interact with the world and how we perceive ourselves. How you see yourself can impact your confidence, your health, and your overall well-being. A positive body image can lead to a happier, healthier life. We all have days when we don't feel our best. It's natural to have ups and downs. But it's important to remember that you are unique and beautiful in your own way. Embracing your individuality is key. This journey is about feeling good in your own skin. It's about self-acceptance and self-love. It's about building a positive relationship with your body. Supporting each other can make this journey easier and more enjoyable. The good news is that you have the power to change how you feel. Small steps can lead to big changes. You can take steps to improve your body image. It starts with making healthier choices and setting realistic goals. This guide will give you practical advice on body sculpting, bodybuilding, and more. You'll learn techniques that are effective and easy to follow. We'll discuss diet, exercise, and supplements in a way that's easy to understand. Knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you. This isn't about fitting into someone else's mold, it's about discovering what works best for you. It's about becoming the healthiest and strongest version of yourself. Your journey is unique, and so are your goals. It's about making sustainable changes that will benefit you for years to come. Consistency and dedication are key. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Let's begin. Together, we can achieve great things. Sculpting Your Best Self, a Beginner's Guide. Welcome to your journey of transformation. Body sculpting is exactly what it sounds like. It's an art form, a process of molding and shaping your body. It's about shaping your body to achieve a more toned and defined look. Imagine chiseling away at a statue to reveal the masterpiece within. This approach focuses on reducing fat and building lean muscle. It's a balanced combination that leads to a healthier, stronger you. It's about creating a physique that you feel confident and happy with. A body that reflects your hard work and dedication. So where do you start? The beginning of any journey can be daunting, but with the right steps, it becomes manageable. Begin with setting realistic goals. Write them down, visualize them, and keep them in mind as you progress. Don't try to do too much too soon. Small, consistent steps lead to big changes over time. Start with small, achievable changes to your diet and exercise routine. Consistency is key. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Next, focus on a combination of cardio and strength training. This dual approach ensures a well-rounded fitness regimen. Cardio helps burn calories and lose fat. It's essential for heart health and overall endurance. Think running, swimming, or dancing. Find an activity you enjoy so it doesn't feel like a chore. Strength training builds muscle, which helps you burn more calories even at rest. It's about becoming stronger and more resilient. Bodyweight exercises, lifting weights or using resistance bands are all great options. They offer variety and can be tailored to your fitness level. Remember, body sculpting is a journey, not a race. It's about the long-term commitment to your health and well-being. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a victory. Every step you take is a step in the right direction. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of becoming your best self. Building more than muscle. The power of bodybuilding. Bodybuilding takes body sculpting a step further. It's about building muscle mass and strength through intense weight training and a strict diet. While it might seem intimidating, bodybuilding can be for everyone. The core principles of bodybuilding are progressive overload, proper nutrition, and adequate rest. Progressive overload means gradually increasing the weight, reps, or intensity of your workouts. This challenges your muscles to grow bigger and stronger. Nutrition is crucial for muscle growth and recovery. A diet rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats is essential. Rest is equally important. Muscles need time to repair and rebuild after intense workouts. Bodybuilding can do more than transform your physique. It can boost your confidence, improve your mood, and increase your energy levels. It teaches you discipline, dedication, and the power of hard work. Fueling the transformation diet for body sculpting and building. Whether your goal is body sculpting or bodybuilding, your diet plays a crucial role. It's not about deprivation, but about nourishing your body with the right nutrients to support your goals. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Include lean sources of protein in every meal, such as chicken, fish, beans, lentils, or tofu. Carbohydrates provide your body with energy for workouts. Choose complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and sweet potatoes. Healthy fats are important for hormone production and overall health. Incorporate sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Avoid sugary drinks, processed foods, and excessive alcohol consumption. These can hinder your progress and negatively impact your health. Remember, food is fuel. Make smart choices that support your fitness journey and make you feel your best. Section 5. Strength training for everyone. A gradual approach. Strength training is essential for both body sculpting and bodybuilding. It helps build muscle, increase metabolism, and burn calories. But it can feel intimidating if you're just starting out. The key is to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity. Begin with bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks. These exercises work for multiple muscle groups at once. As you get stronger, you can add weights or resistance bands. Focus on proper form over lifting heavy weights. If you're unsure about proper form, don't hesitate to ask a trainer at your gym. They can help you avoid injuries and get the most out of your workouts. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're starting. Rest is just as important as exercise. Allow your muscles time to recover between workouts. Section 6. Supplements. Boosting your journey. Proceed with caution. Supplements can play a role in your body sculpting and bodybuilding journey, but they should not be a substitute for a healthy diet and exercise program. Protein powder can be a convenient way to increase your protein intake, especially if you struggle to meet your needs through food alone. Creatine can help improve athletic performance and increase muscle mass. BCAAs, or branched-chain amino acids, can reduce muscle soreness and promote muscle protein synthesis. However, it's crucial to remember that the supplement industry is not strictly regulated. Do your research and choose reputable brands. Consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before taking any supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Supplements can be helpful tools, but they should be used wisely and in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle. Section 7. Safety. First, protecting yourself on your fitness journey. Your health and safety are paramount. Whether you're new to exercise or a seasoned athlete, prioritizing safety is crucial to prevent injuries and ensure a successful fitness journey. Warm up before every workout. This prepares your muscles for activity and reduces the risk of strains. Use proper form when lifting weights or performing exercises. Incorrect form can lead to injuries. Don't be afraid to ask for help or guidance from a fitness professional. Listen to your body. Pain is a warning sign. Don't push through pain. Rest and allow your body to recover. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water before, during, and after workouts. Remember, consistency and gradual progression are key to avoiding injuries. It's better to start slowly and gradually increase intensity than to do too much too soon and risk getting hurt. Section 8. Your journey to a positive body image. It starts today. This is the moment you decide to take control and make a change. Improving your body image is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth and self-discovery. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that make you feel good both physically and mentally. These changes should be ones you can maintain for the long haul. Start by shifting your focus from appearance to health. Think about how your body feels and functions rather than just how it looks. Embrace your body for what it can do, not just how it looks. Appreciate the strength, flexibility, and endurance it offers you every day. Focus on nourishing your body with nutritious foods, moving your body in ways you enjoy, and getting enough rest. These are the pillars of a healthy lifestyle. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There are many people who share your goals and can offer support. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, or a community that uplifts and encourages you. Their positive energy can be a powerful motivator. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each step forward is a step towards a healthier you. Every step you take towards a healthier and happier you is a victory worth celebrating. Be patient with yourself. Change takes time. It's important to recognize and appreciate your efforts. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. They are a natural part of any journey and offer valuable lessons. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Each challenge you overcome makes you stronger and more resilient. Your body image is a reflection of how you treat yourself. The more kindness and care you show, the more positive your self-image will become. Treat yourself with kindness, respect, and love. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. You deserve to feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. Embrace the journey and celebrate every moment of progress.